Hey, Ninja Maniacs, Kelly here, and I want to do a video today to expose you to one of the softwares that I'm currently using. And I have done some training on this with my private mastermind group, and the results are absolutely blowing me away. So let me let you know that today we're going to talk about Facebook lead generation, probably in a way that you've never done before. Or if you've done it, you've not really done it well. Your leads are not coming in. You're not getting contact information. You're getting bogus leads, or your leads are costing you too much. Well, I'm going to solve that issue on today's video. So stay tuned. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified when I go live with these videos. Guys, I am an active agent like you. And although I have several different aspects to my business, so I'm not selling as much as I used to, I still actively sell. So without further ado, let's jump into this and find out what is going on with Scott Pierce's listing the leads and what this can do for your business. Now, those of you that follow me know there are certain things that I've been training the last couple months on with regard to lead generation and conversion. If you haven't seen my Mailbox Power, formerly known as Banner Season videos, you really need to take a look at them. I'm going to show you how to go after leads in a way that you've never done before. Not just leads, the right leads. So make sure you take a look at that. But today, we're going to talk about a software that will literally change the game for your Facebook lead generation. So I'm going to actually do a couple Facebook ads for you live so you can see how quick it is. Now, here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to create an ad in probably under a minute. And this particular ad will be live on Facebook within 30 minutes to an hour and generating leads today. Now, I've done some trials with this, and the results were absolutely amazing. I launched a buyer campaign on one or two of my listings. I generated over 150 leads. The cost per lead was anywhere from 59 cents to $1.49, depending on which ad I run, when I shut the ad down, and some other variables. In the past, it would take me 15 minutes to 30 minutes to create a good Facebook ad, get the Facebook lead page form done. Guys, this is doing it for me in under a minute. So when you see me do it, you're going to be blown away. So check this out. Again, my results, about 100, 150 leads. I literally had to shut it down because I didn't want to generate those leads for me to work personally. I've got other lead sources. I actually gave some of these leads away. But I wanted to see how it worked because I wanted you to be able to know that this is legit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you 3 different ways, or at least 2 different ways that you can generate leads. Now, let's kind of prep the ground real quick. If you have current listings and you get the listing to leads, you can port those listings over with a couple clicks and it'll be in your account. If you don't have very many listings or no listings, here's how you get them. No matter what brokerage you're in, if you're with EXP, Keller Williams, Caldwell, whatever, contact other agents within your brokerage in your area and just simply say, hey, Marge, hey, Jim, this is Kelly, this is Samantha, whatever. We're in the same brokerage. I'm getting ready to do some advertising on Facebook, paid ads. I'm looking to find some buyers with really good credit that I can show some homes to. Would you be opposed to me using your listing at 123 Smith Avenue to generate buyer leads? I'm going to pay for the ads and I'm going to find the buyers, and I'm absolutely looking for the right type of buyers. Would it be okay to use your listing? Can I get your permission? If they say yes, then remember, broker to broker, it's a lot easier. Sometimes agents on other brokerages don't really want you doing it. Sometimes they do. Hey, if it were me and I had a listing and somebody with a different brokerage called me and said, hey, can I get, I'd be like, yeah, all day long, go and use my listing, right? But in today's economy, if you don't have any listings, you simply take the next 24 hours and get you 4 or 5 listings from other agents. Once they say yes, you go into your listings portfolio and you literally can bring that listing over and it does it all for you. It creates all the websites. It creates the PDFs. It creates all of the flyers that you can print for that listing. It creates the social media campaigns. With the click of a button, you can go live with that listing. And what's really good is if you link their text to call feature, every one of these will have a little text to call feature box at the bottom of the listing ad, and it'll say, text this number to this number. So it's all inclusive. But again, if you don't have any listings, go and borrow a couple. Now, the other thing that they just added to me, this is a game changer, is the ability to do an ad using a PDF. So if you click this ad, I'm going to send you this PDF, right? So check this out. Let me go into the ads tab, and I'm going to do 2 ads for you live so you can see how this works. In the ads tab, I'm going to pick one of my listings. And again, if you don't have listings, just go borrow a listing from some agent in your brokerage. And if you say it right, they're going to trust you. And now you've got a listing. You can start generating buyer leads. So I'm going to create a listing ad. And guys, watch how quick this goes. Let me find one of my listings that I want to do. Here, we'll do this one right here. Now I'm just going to click and you notice it defaults to lead page ad. That's the one you want. For those of you who don't know what that is, that's the way that Facebook is set up for you to be able to run an ad. And Facebook, once they click learn more, will auto-populate on a form their email, their phone number, their name. They don't have to do it. There's a psychological component to that absolutely is amazing. So look, with the push of a button, there's the ad. It already gives me the emojis. It links it to a Facebook page. If I want to change that Facebook page, all I have to do is go here. Now watch what happens here, guys. Say I want to bring it from Real Estate Keys. There it is. Now, if there's a geofarm area that you want to dominate, create a Facebook page for that neighborhood and use that for your ads, right? But anyway, it's done it for me at the click of a button. It's already got the content, price reduced in Groveland. It's got emojis. It's already got all the hashtags. I don't have to do any of that. And if I want to change any of this stuff, I can do it right on here. I can add whatever comment I want. I can put offers in there. If I don't like the image, I can upload a different image. But check this out. It's already got the text to call feature embedded within the ad. All right, so there we go. The only other thing I'll change is right here, get the current blah, blah, blah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say click learn more with a couple hands pointing to the learn more. So here is the lead page ad. Now, guys, the traditional way of doing this type of ad in Facebook, to get to this point, I'm probably 10 to 15 minutes into this ad creation. Photograph, getting the photograph with the click to call functionality embedded on that picture, maybe going to Canva. I'm 20 minutes into this. Right now, I'm seconds into this, and the ad's already created. The next thing is the Facebook lead page ad form. That can take you several minutes, up to 5 to 7 minutes to create if you're really good, because you've got to have a privacy policy. You've got to have the content. You've got to tell the form what you want it to say to the potential client, right? They've done it all for me. So watch this. I'm going to create a new form. Form's done, publish. Now we're done. Now I'm going to link that form to this ad. Then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to change this to people living in this location. And here's the location. I'm going to say Claremont, Florida. And then let's say I also want to say Leesburg. You can do whatever city you want. There is Leesburg. Now I've got 2 cities that this ad is going to show up on Facebook. I'm going to simply edit the placements and get rid of Instagram. I'm not going to send this to Instagram. It's already got my pixel. So when I set up my account, I've already put my pixel code in there. And guys, if you don't know what it is, YouTube it. How to put a pixel code from Facebook on a website. It'll walk you through it all. All right. Now it defaults to lifetime budget. I'm going to change that to daily. And I typically do anywhere from $5 to $8 a day. You can do $1 a day. It's going to start today. And then simply by hitting that word publish, I'm done. It's now going to be live on Facebook, probably within 15 minutes to an hour. What's great about Listing to Leads, they have over 15,000 agents that use their services. And so what happens whenever you use their service to do an ad, Facebook has a trust factor with this company because the leads are all compliant, they're good. So Facebook, when they go to decide if your lead meets the criteria, you're going to get that lead approved a lot faster than had you done it on your own Facebook account, doing it the way you do it. So guys, there is one example. If I go live with this lead, I'm literally going to have buyer leads coming in. Probably it's 8:47 a.m. now. I'd say by 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., I'm going to have leads coming in, right? And depending on your budget will depend on how many leads you get a day. On an $8 budget, I'm probably going to get 2 to 5 leads a day. If I let this run for the next 5 to 10 days, I'm going to see a lead cost between 60 cents and $1.50 a lead. That's just amazing. So now let's look at a different way to run a lead. They just added this functionality. And when you see what I can do, you're going to be amazed. So you've got the ability to attract buyers through these types of leads. Now you can also attract sellers by doing a home evaluation or what's going on in your neck of the woods type of leads. They've got all of those pages created for you. I'm not going to do a seller lead gen right now. It's very, very similar to what I just showed you, but it's going to go out and attract sellers. But now they've done social content ads. So what these are the ability for you to put an ad out on Facebook using the Facebook lead ad, and it's offering them a PDF. Now watch these PDFs, guys. Here's the PDFs that you have access to. 10 most expensive, I'm not going to read them all. There's just like 30 of them. COVID-19 mortgage relief, 5 dangers of overpricing, home appraisals for sellers, buyers, home maintenance checklist, home value increase report. So let's say I want to attract sellers. I'm going to go ahead and do home value increase report, and I'm just going to simply create the ad. The magic of this system is it's going to do it there. The ad's done. It's done. How to increase your home value the most for the least amount of money. Free guide for local homeowners. I have helped local homeowners like yourself, blah, 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 blah. Okay, there it is right there. How to increase your home's value. Download this free. So this ad is going to be aimed at people with a home that want to download that home value guide. And once they click learn more, the Facebook lead page ad will pop up. And again, I can change whatever page I want this to go to. I can change the content here. Not going to do it. And by the way, it even does the special ads that you need to click for all of your real estate leads. It's done for you, right? So then all I'm going to do is I'm going to create the new form, and I'm going to hit publish. Now I've got a form attracted to that. And then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to say, I'm not going to change any. This is the autoresponder. We will send the report via email to your leads once they fill up the form. Edit your autoresponder. So it's even got the first name. Click below to download the report link, boom. That's the email they're going to. This report will provide some great information. Now you can change or add whatever you want in there. It's already got your signature done, so that's done. Here's the audience. Again, Claremont. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's not what I want to do. I want to change this to people living. And I want to do, look, I'm only going to run this to Claremont. Let's change it to Leesburg. Right there. And let me see if I can add Claremont. There we go. Edit placements, got rid of Instagram, pixel codes on, lifetime budget. We're going to go daily budget, and I'm going to do $8 a day. Let me just take one more look at it, guys. This is the ad, how to increase. Autoresponder is turned on. I don't even have to do anything. It's done. And then watch this. I'm going to publish it. Now, I just literally did this ad live for you, and I'm going to let this run now on Facebook, and I'm going to check and see what happens with this ad. Ad created successfully. So it's done. So guys, there you go. There is the next wave of Facebook ad creation. If you want, I'm going to put a video or a link below this video for a 30-day free trial of listing to leads. That's right. A 30-day free trial. Now, some of you are going, well, how much is this? It's inexpensive. You're not only going to get access to personal branded PDF guides. And if you want to see one, here it is right here. Let me see if I can show it to you. PDF guides. Download guides. Guys, check this out. First time home buyer. Check out what this looks like. There's over 30 of these ads they create for you inside of your account. And what I want to do is I want to show you what it looks like. So here's one of their ads. It's branded to me. I've got 30 of these I can share socially, right? What an amazing thing for you guys to get. So you get access to their ad creation. Within a minute, go live with any type of ad you want. Do a PDF social media content out on just about any topic you can want. $40 a month, $40 a month. If you want to add the text to call feature, which I did, it's like $7 or $8 more a month. So under $50 a month, you have got to, as far as I'm concerned, one of the top Facebook ad creation tools. You don't have to pay somebody $500 a month to do your ads. Save that $500, use this tool, and dominate the buyer leads. And guys, there's so much more we can talk about on today's video, but I'm not. I just wanted to end it right there and let you know, make sure you look either above or below the video, depending on where you're seeing this, and take advantage of the free trial. And then come back to me and let me know your results. How many ads are you running? How many leads are you getting? What are the cost per lead acquisition? I'd love to hear your testimonies. Guys, I'm so excited about this one, and I hope that you guys will jump on this and change the game. You'll add this to the layers of lead generation that I've been training you and really become dangerous in 2021. I'm going to leave it at that. This is a 15-minute long video, but I wanted to cover these basics. Don't forget, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for more exciting marketing videos coming up from your ninja. All right, guys, go get you some.